Here is my beam circuit that I'm doing today with my private school group that comes in on Wednesday afternoons. So we are going to start here, and they can try walking along the slack line or just standing and balancing. It's pretty tricky. And then over here on this beam, they're going to try front support with their hands on the beam and their feet on the block. They can then walk to the end of this beam, and we're going to try our levers with the blocks. So they can lunge, T-shape lever, pick up a block, and then try to put it back, trying to balance themselves and the blocks, of course. And then down here on the low beam, this group hasn't done a whole lot of beam, so the low beam we're just walking along the beam, maybe in releve, and then they're going to try forward roll going off of the beam, which we've worked on the floor already. Then they're going to come up on the higher beam, and again, we're just walking today, just trying to walk on the higher beam. They can jump down on the mat right here, follow the arrow, and then here I have the hoops set up, and they're going to do ski jumps. So hands on the beam, and then they can jump side to side with their feet landing in the hoop. So this is just practicing putting weight on their hands on the beam and balancing on their hands. And then when they get to the end of this beam, they can follow the arrows. And then here they're just trying to crawl across the balls without falling. And this is just good for balance and core strength overall. Then they can follow the arrow over here on the floor. And something we've worked on a few times is just our handstands with our hands on the block. So today I'm just adding in our little gummy beam to try that on for a challenge. And then we're back to the start.